For industries that demand perfect hygiene from start to finish. For industries that need connectors that will perform under pressure. Where clean-in-place changeovers must be fast and efficient. Yet fitting is child's play. BFM fittings are the solution. BFM fittings are the world's first snap-in flexible connectors and are making hose clamps redundant.
I invented the BFM fitting to help eliminate all the problems my customers were having with the traditional hose clamp type systems. Inherently they had problems with hygiene and product build-up, standardisation throughout the plants. They also had issues with overpressure and explosive type situations. Difficult to replace connectors, leaking connectors. So I ended up developing the BFM just with a very simple concept.
BFM fittings seal from the inside. Under pressure, the flexible metal sealing rings push outward against the inside of the product chute, tightening and improving the seal. Connector blowouts and leakage are eliminated. BFM fitting is easy. Changeouts are quick, efficient and safe. Extensive trials have earned BFM fittings 3A certification. Already used by top industries for their superior hygiene and ease of fit. Explosion testing has proven BFM fittings' durability. With a wide range of sizes and fabrics to suit your industry's needs, BFM fittings are leading the world in efficiency, safety, hygiene and durability.